Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Urus versus the Bentley. We'll dive into their performance capabilities, starting with the raw power of the Urus. Its engine delivers exhilarating acceleration, making it a true supercar SUV. The Bentley, while powerful, prioritizes a more luxurious and composed ride, offering a different kind of thrill. Moving beyond speed, let's explore luxury and practicality. The Urus blends supercar aesthetics with SUV utility, featuring a driver-focused cockpit. In contrast, the Bentley emphasizes opulent comfort and exquisite materials, creating a serene cabin. Both offer ample space, but their approaches to interior design and daily usability differ significantly. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: fueling up for your next drive or just your daily routine? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's talk about the financial aspect. The Lamborghini Urus has a starting price point that reflects its performance pedigree. Bentley models, often positioned as ultra-luxury vehicles, typically command a higher initial investment. Both represent significant purchases, and ownership costs, including insurance and maintenance, should be considered.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.